Okay, we're breaking down a high-stakes standoff unfolding right now in a critical global waterway.
This is the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most vital oil lane. Just look at all that traffic.
But here's the thing, this corridor is now an active threat zone. So what is really going on? And we're not talking hypotheticals. We have confirmed strikes, like this hit on the Al Salim.
See, the attacks are deliberately limited. The goal is to create fear, not to start an all-out war.
And here's the crucial point. Despite the danger, the corridor itself has not collapsed. It's still operating. This has forced a major shift in military posture, from just watching to taking active measures. It all centers on a key military concept known as ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. We're talking eyes in the sky. Aircraft like the P-8 Poseidon are flying these tight, protective patterns. And this really sums up the big change, moving from simple monitoring to active, protective overwatch. But what's really fascinating is the story the ship's own data tells us. Let's take a look. Sohar in Oman is basically the green light. You see a continuous, active flow of vessels leaving. Then you have Fujairah, the staging area. It's packed, but ships are starting to peel off the edges. But Dubai, that's a holding pen. Tankers are just waiting for proof that the corridor is secure.
So what you've got is this really unstable balance. It's a game of pressure versus persistence.
And that balance is incredibly fragile. There are clear red lines that could escalate things fast. A disabled tanker, a few quick attacks in a row, or any casualties, that's the tipping point. So here's what analysts are watching. Are tankers finally leaving Dubai, or are they turning back? And that really matters, because this kind of unstable situation, it almost never lasts long. So the big question now is, which way does it go? Does it stabilize, or does it escalate?